street corn, baby, right there on an open fire. There ain't nothing better than that.
Oh, yeah, I think I need some help.
Jacob, Joseph Q. Bar. Oh, he's got extra hands. You need some extra hands. All right, what are you making?
All right, we're gonna make a pit dip today. We're doing a bacon elote queso dip.
Okay.
Got some fire roasted corn. We got a variety of cheeses here. We got some lime. We got the green stuff. Plenty of bacon. Let's put this together.
Do it.
So first, we need half of a red onion here.
What inspired you for this? Just curious.
What inspired me for this?
Yeah.
I mean, shoot, we got a nice brisket going that Slasher got together. And I heard about this and I was like, I got to figure out a little side to go along with it. And, who doesn't like a little bacon and cheese and roasted corn? This would be great for a party, for any sort of gathering. You got a fire pit going and you can put a grate over it. You can easily heat this up. And that's kind of what we're going to do today.
All right.
So yeah, we're just dicing these up. I dice up jalapeno as well. We're gonna leave some of the membrane behind because that's where the heat is.
Yep.
Seeds, no biggie. And then we're gonna pair it with some pepper jack cheese too, so we'll have some more pepper in there. Hi.
Where do I put this?
Oh, the warden's got it.
Thank you.
All right.
So did you cut the onion?
Yes, I did. We're gonna cut up some garlic.
Yeah. Do you like garlic?
That's right.
Everybody likes
Everybody likes garlic.
Yeah, do you know what this is? BBQ whiskey, right?
It says BBQ Pit Boys, and that's big. We're using Big Texan.
Do you like Big Texan?
Yeah, it's good stuff. Yeah,
That's the best,
good
right?
stuff.
Yeah.
It's the best rub.
Make sure don't cut onions really fast, okay?
Okay. I'll put some bacon in here. Of course, that smoke wants to go my way now.
Everybody knows when you got a fire going,
That's it.
Follow
stand
you.
around it, it's got to be in your face with no smoke.
Oh, heck. Let's just cook them all.
Exactly.
Or why are we going to put them away? I mean,
Exactly.
this is just pit
So let's
snacks.
get little snacks to have extra if you need to.
Plenty of room in there once it starts to render.
That's the thing. Starting to render. We want to get this nice and crispy. Some of these are good, so let's get some of these pieces off of here. Veggie time. All right, so just gonna get that nice and soft there. Once your onions and your jalapenos have gotten soft. A little garlic. I'm gonna throw that in last because I don't want to burn it. I'm just gonna throw in a little bit of cream cheese. It's a whole block.
All right.
Quarter cup of heavy cream here too. All right, we're getting there. So we got about a cup of cheddar here we're gonna add in. A little more, a little less. 2 cups of shredded pepper jack. And 1 more cheese here. This is queso fresco.
Cheese and street corn, baby, right there on an open fire. There ain't nothing better than that. On a nice cold spring morning.
So we need to add a little flavor to that, right?
Yeah. A little flavor.
Let's add a little flavor.
We're putting some Pit Boys Texan in there.
That's it. Oh, it's freshy.
Oh, yep.
All right, got a little big Tex to go in here. Tex has got a little heat behind it, so. Oh yeah. And one thing is a hell of a lot better than those corn cakes I made.
Yeah. You're always experimenting though.
That's the thing, you know.
Right?
It's, hey, not every Instagram or social media post you see is good. I'll tell you that. But we try them out, and some of them make it, some of them don't. So I told them, I was like, they're not worthy.
That's mostly cheese, isn't it?
That?
Cheese.
Oh yeah, that's a lot of cheese.
This is different. You're not making corn fritters.
No. I was gonna do corn fritters.
Oh.
And then I tested the recipe at home.
Oh.
And I was like, yeah, this recipe is not pit worthy. So let me take a look at something else.
Yeah.
And me and Jesse were talking it out, and I was like, hey, you know what? I'm gonna do a queso dip.
Yeah.
And I think it'll go really well with the brisket.
It has to pass mustard.
That's it.
Pit boy mustard, that's for sure.
Mustard. Yep, the mustard.
The mustard got
We're back in the Civil War era.
The mustard.
Saying mustard again. Like,
Got our bacon here. Put that in there. That. Ooh. So I tested at home, man. I had this last night. And it's almost gone, I'll tell you that. And there ain't very many of us at the house. All right, so we're just topping this with a little more queso fresco. Oh yeah. We just got some greens here. Put it on top. You gotta finish it with some mayo. Everybody's lactose intolerant. I don't advise eating a lot of this. Here, gentlemen. It's great when it's piping hot. Might melt your face off, but it's huh? The chips? No. Just saying the dip just came off the fire, so might melt your face off. We're dipping.
Salute.
Salute.
Oh, it's gotta be phenomenal, right? It's always phenomenal. It's always phenomenal.
Oh yeah.
Oh, that's easy good.
Oh man.
Should get a chunk of jalapeno in there too. It's good. Yeah, there you go.
Okay.
Bacon dip.
Wow, that's great. Fantastic.
Thank you. Could do too. Just throw a little extra dust on there. Squeeze a little lime if you want. Bing. Done.
Bada bing, bada boom. All right, that's great. Fantastic.
Slow and slow.